Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an income tax return when you have zero taxable income. Many people believe they don't need to file if they earn nothing, but that's not always true. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure you meet your obligations. This guide will help you navigate the process simply and effectively, ensuring you understand each part. Even with zero taxable income, you might still need to file. For instance, if your gross income is below the standard deduction amount, filing could be optional but beneficial. You might also need to file to claim refundable tax credits, like the Earned Income Tax Credit, which could put money back in your pocket. It's crucial to understand these scenarios. When filing a zero income tax return, you'll generally use Form 1040. Even if your income is minimal, you must report all sources, including any unemployment benefits or small freelance earnings. After completing the form, you can submit it electronically through approved software or mail a paper copy. Ensure all sections are filled out accurately before submission. Always maintain meticulous records of any income and expenses for at least 3 years, even with a zero return. This helps if the tax authority has questions later. If your income is low, many free tax preparation services are available to assist you. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money, as well as other helpful deals. Taking these steps ensures you're well prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.